In this video, I will show you how to bypass the 8 MB upload limit on Discord. So let's get started. First, open Discord on Google Chrome. Open a new tab and type Compress MP4. Choose MP4 Compressor by Video Candy from the search results. On their website, press Add File and select the video file you want to compress. Drag the video file onto the website to start uploading and compressing it. Once the compression is done, you can either upload the compressed file directly or create a link for the video. Open a new tab and search for File.io. Click on the first result to go to their website. Press Upload Files and choose the compressed video file you want to upload. After the upload is complete, you will see options to copy the link or QR code. Right-click on the link option and press Copy. Go back to Discord, paste the copied link into the chat, and send it to your friends. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.